had a dream where you're rushing to catch a flight or a train, but somehow you never make it? Your luggage isn't packed, the gate is closing, or you're stuck in traffic. And then you wake up frustrated or panicked. This dream is one of the most common and universally experienced dreams. But what does it mean? Is it just random, or is there a deeper reason behind it? Om Shri Matre Namaha. Hello my divine viewers. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Vedic Dream Meaning. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what is the meaning of having dreams about missing a flight or a train. To understand why we dream about missing a flight or a train, we first need to understand how dreams work. Most of our dreams occur during the rapid eye movement or the REM stage of sleep. During this phase, your brain is almost as active as it is when you're awake. The amygdala, the part of the brain that is responsible for processing the emotions, is particularly engaged during this time, which is why your dreams often evoke some strong feelings like anxiety or fear, like you have in your real life. These dreams are likely created as your brain processes the stresses, the emotions, and all the unresolved issues from your real life. But why flights or trains? Stay tuned, let's find out. Dreams about missing transportation often symbolize feelings of being unprepared, overwhelmed, or out of control in your real life. For example, say if you're facing a tight deadline at work or a significant life event, your brain may be constantly translating this stress into a metaphor of missing a flight or a train. Missing a plane or a train reflects a fear of failing or not meeting your expectations, either in terms of professional or maybe personally. Flights and trains symbolize movement and progress. So if you're in the middle of a major life change where you're expecting some sort of movement in your life to happen or some sort of progress in your life to happen, like starting a new job or moving cities, this dream may reflect some anxieties about making that transition within your mind. If you're someone who likes to be in control of your life, missing a connection in your dream can represent the fear of losing a grip over your schedule or over your life or even the plan of your life. Interestingly, these dreams are also tied to modern life. Trains and planes have strict schedules, and we associate missing them with a sense of failure or regret. So your subconscious mind now taps into these familiar scenarios to dramatize the real life stress in the form of dreams. But why do these dreams feel so vivid and urgent? This has to do with the REM sleep cycle. During REM, your brain suppresses rational thought, allowing emotional content to dominate. Missing a flight triggers emotions like panic, disappointment, and frustration, which gets even more real because your brain isn't applying logical reasoning in this state. This heightened emotional processing is the brain's way of preparing you for the real life challenges. Majorly, your brain is rehearsing situations of stress and urgency so you are better equipped to handle them in your real life. Dreams about missing a flight or a train also reveal some hidden fears. These dreams can symbolize regret or the fear of not utilizing the opportunities in time. Missing transportation might symbolize being left behind or disconnected from all your loved ones, your goals, or even your identity, or even your peers. Travel represents new horizons, so missing a flight might reflect the fear of change, or maybe the fear of uncertainty you have, or maybe the fear about your future. Culturally, flights and trains symbolize destiny or life's journey. So missing them in a dream may reflect your worries about whether you are on the right path or if you're running out of your time to achieve your goals as per your schedule or as per your plan compared to your peers. So your next question would be, so how can you manage the anxiety these dreams represents? Here are some few tips. Recognizing your stress triggers. Identify if there are any deadlines, some life changes, or some events, some transitions that is causing you this stress. Write them down and tackle them one at a time. Practice relaxation before sleep. As many have already suggested, engage in calming activities like meditation or journaling or reading some favorite book to reduce your pre-sleep anxiety before you go to bed. Organize and plan ahead. If you're worried about real-life schedules or commitments, planning ahead and being prepared for any consequences can help you reduce the fear of being unprepared. Embrace flexibility. Remind yourself that not everything needs to go perfectly as you have planned. Missing one train doesn't mean the end of the journey. You can always get another train. Interestingly, these dreams aren't always bad. They can be your brain's way of encouraging you to take some action in life. They remind you to stay prepared, value opportunities, and trust yourself. So next time you wake up from a dream about missing a flight or a train, don't panic. Use it as a moment for self-reflection. So in conclusion, dreams are a fascinating way into your subconscious mind. By understanding their deeper meanings, we can uncover some hidden fears, untapped potential, and even solutions to our waking life challenges. Have you ever dreamed about missing a flight or a train? Then let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to hear your stories. If you dreamt of a different scenario and wish to know the analysis, please feel free to like and comment below, and I will try to reply to you. Also, if you find the information useful, please do subscribe to this channel to show your support. Thank you and namaskaram.